Okay, so hey guys, today I'm gonna be defeating, holy crap, King Slime in seconds. Because I have the best armor and the best weapons from a free item server. And also, I'm gonna have there's gonna be a, yeah. Also, there's gonna be a sneak peek on Josh AKA's, whatchamacallit? Obstacle course thingy. So you start off here, you go here, jump up here, jump up here. It won't suck. Holy! So here you can either go up here or you could go here. Oh shite. Then you have to oh crap, I'm gonna teach them how to do it. So which block will don't do it or else they'll know. Yeah. Yeah, which block will you have to like jump on? And then here you go up here. You have to open the switches and stuff. And then the next part is a work in progress. He's probably gonna put this map up for download. So go up here. Arland, bruh. Arland can teach us, right? YouTube can teach us. Because YouTube's smart. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure YouTube's smart. Well, have a great day, guys. Actually, I really don't care what day you have. Have a great day, guys, then. Have a great day. Goodbye. And please give me views. I need them. Do you guys want to say any final words? Arlen, do you want to say any final words? Good job. Josh didn't listen to me. Okay, goodbye, guys.